It's small, but it's mine. Oh boy. So it got a little cold out here. Everything in the greenhouse is fine. However, the cold did get my eggplant and my peppers. My poor peppers. I ain't letting that go to waste though. If it's still here, I'm gonna take it. There we go. Put it out of its misery. I don't see anything here, but these are gone too. So I'm just gonna break it off. I got my scissors here. Let me go ahead and cut it. This is Jamaica with Jamaica Life. So we're gonna harvest some stuff, even some seeds. These. And we're gonna cut these down and just toss them. Chop and drop. I'm into permaculture as much as I can, although I have snails. I'm gonna have snails anyway, so I'm just refeeding the soil or giving the soil back some of the nutrients that are in these plants that passed away. So let's do it. All right, sweetie. You can go back here. It didn't fall. It didn't fall, guys. You just go down there. Here's another one. And it has peppers on it. Some of them are good, some of them aren't. No, I'm not going to use these. I might, though, use them for seed. Although I can't use these peppers because they're kind of rotten for planting, I can use the seeds. So I'm going to throw this into the garden over there. I was wrong, y'all. There's some green ones on here. I didn't see them until I was getting ready to throw it down. The green ones are all bit up. Some of them are good, though. See? Don't ask me what kind of peppers these are. I just chop up the little stems. And go ahead and throw it back in the garden. Seeds. But I don't need all of these seeds. See, make sure. Sometimes it looks like it has seeds and they're gone. Yeah, they're gone. Chop and drop. If there are any seeds, well, they'll come up in spring. Oh, look at here, look at here. Look at that. All right. to the next. I tell you what, these bolted. This is broccoli, and it's been too warm, so look, straight, it's going straight to seed. I'm so ticked off. I can't get a broccoli head, but to save my life. Weather don't know what it want to do. One day it's up, next day it's down. Just breaking it up. Okay. Cauliflower. Maybe I should have waited, huh? Brussels sprouts. Nah, I'll leave that alone. Here's a broccoli plant, but there is something right here that I want to get today. But mainly I want to clean this up. There's still eggplants on here. I missed them. Woo! There it goes. I ain't bring the right tools out here for this job. Okay. I think I'm about done here. Got my face all twisted up trying to cut that thing. Maybe I'll get some broccoli, huh? Keep on snipping it. There is a bok choy that I want to get over here. And then I'm done. There's a whole bunch of new stuff over here I could show you. Man. It's almost spring. Time sure flies when you're gardening all the time, huh? I never stop. This is what I like to do. So what did I say I was going to get? Oh, bok choy. And here it is. This one right here. This joker been here a while. I don't know if I want to, I don't think I want to harvest the whole thing. I just want a couple of pieces. So that's one piece. Let's see here. That's two. I think that's it. I'm gonna leave the rest of it here. So this is what I got so far. I have more bok choy. This is not it for dinner, but I'm gonna get some more. It's over there. Over there. Bunch of brassicas around here. But I thought I saw some more bok choy. Did somebody get me? I think so. See, if you don't get stuff while the getting is good, something will come along and take it from you. Look at that. I think the dog stepped on this. This looked like dog damage. Something stepped on it. Because it was leggy. See that? Here, I'll bring you down. See this right here? Wait. You see this? This? That's a leggy plant. You can plant leggy plants and they will survive. And it'll develop like a branch, but initially the plant is going to be weak. So let's see if we got some more bok choy over there. Otherwise, it's going to be slim pickings. All right, girl, get up. Here goes my garlic from the supermarket that came up. Rabbit. Not one of my rabbits. One of them wild ones running off. See, they're small. I don't want to touch them. They're right here. I don't want to touch them. I'm going to go back around the corner and see if there's any over there. Let's go this way. See them? Aren't they pretty? They're new. I got some more broccoli coming up. And then the dogs tore this up, so I won't get anything there. That's why I plant a lot. Got stuff on the table to replace it. I think I'll plant those after the freeze. Here's a bok choy here. Let me put this down. I think I'll take that one if I don't find anything else. We're back to where we were. So let's go back over here. I still got a lot of things to harvest in there. Huh? Oh man. So I have a bok choy here that I could take up. It's getting ate up anyway. Well, it looks like it's doing better. You see that? It looks like it's doing better. I think I'll leave it alone for now. I'll just use what I got. Where did I put my thing? I got eggplant and bok choy, and that's about it. And a little cauliflower. That's fine. It's enough. And here's the stuff that's the filler crops. Lettuce, Swiss chard. There's a celery plant in here. It smells good over here. It must be the celery. And that's about it. The rest of the stuff is in the greenhouse. And y'all just saw the video on the spinach and the lavender. That's not up yet. And I have a lot of stuff in the house, but I don't want to put it out till after this freeze. I don't think that we're going to get it as bad as Dallas. I'm so glad I don't live up there. You know, when I first moved to Texas, I already had the house, right? And I got a good job offer in management for one of the major stores, and in HR, and they wanted me to relocate. And I told them they was gonna pay to move me and everything. And I was like, I had just moved to this house. I told the lady, I'm sorry, I can't do it. I can't. I'm not moving up to Dallas. And I'm so glad I did, because Dallas gets cold. It gets cold. It's like a different state. It's like a different state. I don't want to move up in the grow zone. I'm going to either move within the grow zone or higher, like 9. I'm in 9. I'm moving to 10, 11 up. I ain't moving lower to a lower number. So this is Jamaica with Jamaica Life. This is my small harvest before the freeze, as well as getting rid of some of the stuff that passed away recently because of the cold weather at night. I'll just keep on taking it down. I mean, those eggplant ain't supposed to be around no more. They held on to the very end. They were a trooper. This is Jamaica with Jamaica Life. I thank everybody for being with me, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.